Hello from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. This is the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Saturday, November 24th. Taking a look at our satellite imagery today, the system that's been producing all this weather throughout the Thanksgiving holiday starting to make its way out of Idaho. It should be exiting the state later today. And our next weather system of note is a little bit further off in the Pacific, not really seen in this image just yet. But by Tuesday, we'll definitely be having our first glimpses at it, and it could bring some snow, some rain to the area. Right now, we'll just go ahead and advance to our surface map for this morning. There is a cold front that has pushed on through the state, has pushed on through overnight in the overnight hours. Still a little bit of lingering snow over the central mountains and over the mountains in the southeast Idaho. Might see a little bit of a band of snow moving down across into Idaho Falls, maybe down to Blackfoot, possibly down to Pocatello later today throughout the afternoon, but shouldn't see too much accumulation along with that. And in fact, here we'll take a look at, first we'll take a look at wind speeds. We're going to take a look at the pattern as it evolves later on today, but the wind speeds this morning, after that cold front has passed, still seeing some pretty strong winds down across the area. In fact, we do have a wind advisory for the Pocatello area up towards Blackfoot, American Falls, and up into the Arco Desert area through about 9 o'clock this afternoon, or 9 o'clock this morning, rather. And after that, the wind should start to taper off. And taking a look at how this weather system is going to evolve throughout the day today. This is a model representation of what could possibly happen. A little bit of lingering snow showers across the area. We may see another snow band, as I said, this afternoon, moving down from Idaho Falls towards Pocatello. But after that, after the afternoon hours, things start to settle down pretty quickly. Not anticipating too much snow accumulation with that. That is just one possibility of the many that can happen. But this is fairly close to what we're expecting throughout the day today. Just some light snow showers continuing until late afternoon, and everything should start to taper off by then. So as we advance towards next Tuesday, that's when our next weather system is going to be on our doorstep. This cold front, this warm front actually approaching from the west, that should be making landfall about by Monday night, going into Tuesday morning. Some showers, some snow showers overspreading the central mountains, and that's when we should start to see our first impacts from that system. We are expecting unsettled conditions throughout much of the rest of the week next week, so be prepared for that. Our snow amount forecast as that system approaches less than an inch or so across the Snake Plain. This is for Tuesday morning. That might impact your Tuesday morning commute, but some a little bit heavier precipitation amounts up in the Sun Valley, Stanley areas. Maybe about 1 to 2 inches up there on Tuesday. So as I said, the rest of the week looks pretty unsettled as we head beyond that. Your 8 to 14 day outlook. This is actually beginning the month of December. We're looking pretty cold with some cold temperatures in place over the front range of the Colorado Rockies that extends all the way into southeast Idaho. So your first week of December looks pretty cold and also pretty wet, a little bit wetter than normal across much of the entire U.S., in fact, and that extends on into southeast Idaho as well. So with that, we'll go ahead and end that. If you have any questions, give us a call at the number there on the screen. Send us email for feedback on the briefing. Visit our website, weather.gov/Pocatello, for more in-depth forecast. You can just point and click on the map and get a forecast for that area. And that concludes the briefing. Thank you for listening.